Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I will be sharing an everyday carry kit for bicycles that I have assembled myself. Here in the Netherlands, bicycles are one of the main modes of transportation, and with regular usage, bicycles need regular maintenance. I use this kit almost daily, and I can confidently say that having it has saved me from trouble many times. So what is inside this kit? Well, let's have a look. On the outside, I have a Tasmanian Tiger Tuck Pouch 7, and on the inside I have cable ties of different sizes, insulating tape. Both of these can come in handy if something non-structural breaks off from the bike and needs to be reattached. Bicycle oil for lubrication. A refillable spray bottle with a mixture of water and car shampoo. This one is quite useful for light cleaning. Let's say in case a bird poops on my bike or I get dirt on places that should be cleaned as soon as possible. And another use that I have for this item is to identify air leaks on my bicycle tires. All I have to do is spray some diluted car shampoo on the tires and the air leaks will produce bubbles. Next I have two cloths, one to use with the bicycle oil and the other to use with the diluted car shampoo. Next I have a reflexive vest with built-in lights. This is the front and this is the back. Yes, so staying visible when cycling in the dark is extremely important, so this is a very important part of the kit. Next I have spare batteries for my front and rear bicycle lights. A set of imbus keys, multi-tool, adjustable wrench, a bicycle pump with a manometer. The manometer is important because bicycle tires have specific pressure ranges, and a manometer gives a visual indication about the pressure in the tires. I'm quite happy with this particular pump. It can go as high as 21 bar, and it is the smallest bicycle pump with a manometer that I could find. But because of its small size, it requires a lot of pumping. Whenever I'm using this pump to pump the big 29-inch tires of my mountain bike, it's a real workout. So keep that in mind when shopping for a bicycle pump. Next we have a chain tool. And 3 tire levers. A pair of nitrile gloves. Working on the bicycle can get really dirty really quickly. And lastly, a tire repair set with glue. So there you go, this was the whole set. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel so that you may be informed when a new video becomes available. Thank you for watching.